Hey guys, welcome back. I am trying to be nice and practical for you today with a dinner recipe. We're gonna do a lemon dill chicken with couscous. I'm gonna whip up some tzatziki sauce and just a bunch of fresh vegetables and some chopped dates. I made this the other day when I was just using stuff up that I had in the fridge, but it was really good, so we will see if I can accurately recreate it here. We have family in town tonight, so I'm going to use this whole 2.5 pound bag of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. It'll probably be a little bit more than we need, but that's okay. Pat those dry. I tend to season from the heart, but I'll try to measure as I go, and then I can at least estimate how much I'm using. So that was about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then we'll do probably another 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. It's probably about enough garlic. I'm just gonna rub that right on everybody here. Just enough to give us some flavor, but it's not really the star here. What we really want to have come through here is this dill. So we're gonna do about a 1/2 teaspoon of dried dill over everybody. And then we'll add the lemon when it's already in the pan. And other side. I'm just going to do garlic on one side though, because it's all going to fall off when we start cooking it. So we will just do garlic side up the first time, so that then by the time we flip it over, all of our garlic isn't burned. And that is the main part prepped. I already got some vegetables all chopped up and ready to go. It is still a few hours before dinner. I'm getting everything ready while the kids are napping. So we'll pan fry that with lemon juice in a little while, and we'll make some couscous. I'm gonna throw it in the rice cooker because it only takes about 5 minutes. It'd be like 15 on the stove, so it wouldn't be a big deal either way. And in the meantime, we will make the tzatziki sauce. So if you are unfamiliar, this is a yogurt cucumber sauce with those same basic flavors, the dill, garlic, and lemon juice. And then we'll just add a little bit of salt in there. And it'll be nice to have this done ahead of time so it can kind of sit and soak up those flavors before we eat. Squeeze out some of that excess water, because nobody wants a watery sauce. I tend to make sauces from the heart as well, but I'm just going to be really confident and act like this is a recipe that I know by heart and I know is always going to be perfect every time. Actually, it is always good. Let's do one more. That wasn't very confident, was it? Garlic. Trying to get better at cleaning while I cook, but I'm really bad at it. Usually because I'm in a hurry, but I'm not in a hurry today. You picked not a great place to lay, dog. Technically, I probably should be using Greek yogurt, but this whole milk plain yogurt is still pretty thick. So let's do like a 1.5-ish, since we've got some extras. That garlic. Let's start with 1/2 tablespoon of dill. We're probably going to want more. 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of lemon. And the cucumber. Honestly, I almost forgot it. That's about 1/2 cucumber grated. I suppose I could have measured it or weighed it or something, but like, I didn't. Actually, I think that's pretty good. So that's 30. 2 cups of couscous in the rice cooker. Whoop. Oh, perfect. And 3 cups of chicken broth, or 3 cups of water and a tablespoon of the better than bouillon chicken base, which I love to have because I don't have to worry about keeping another food item in the fridge or having a jar of broth open that then I'm gonna have to use up. If you're doing it on the stove, you can just boil your liquid and pour it on top of your couscous, put a lid on it for about 15 minutes and it's done. But I'm gonna throw it in the rice cooker so that I don't have another pan on the stove while I'm cooking. I just try to keep my area as clear as I can because it's already really small. So I'm just gonna set it to steam for 5 minutes and then it'll automatically keep warm while I'm just Thanks for being in the kitchen with me today. I hope that this one was practical and that it's something that you're able to use and that your family will love. Let me know if you try it. See you next time.